Hello friends. Welcome to Friday Flags. The flag we are going to discuss today is of India. It is present in Asian continent as shown on the map. It got its independence from a British rule. Its Independence Day is the 15th of August, 1947. It is the second most populous country in world. Friends, please mention in the comments that which country is the most populous country in the world. India takes immense pride in being the world's largest democracy and it is the rising power of the world. Now before we begin any further, please subscribe to my channel so that you can know about facts on Mindful Mondays, vocabulary on Wednesday wisdom, and flags of the world on Friday Flags. Now the meaning of Indian flag. The white color on the flag is for the peace and truth of Indians. Next, the orange color symbolizes the courage and sacrifice of Indians. They are courageous. The green color shows the faith and chivalry of Indians. Now lastly, the blue wheel in the center of flag is called a Buddhist spinning wheel or chakra. It has 24 spokes in it which corresponds to 24 hours of the day. This implies that the life is in movement and death in stagnation. Friends, that is all for today. See you on next Friday.